Hello students, in previous session we have discussed about problem number 6. Now I want to explain again elaborately about problem number 6. Problem 6, a glass tube of 1 mm bore was filled with acetone to within 2.3 centimeter of the top and maintain at a temperature of 18.8 degree Celsius. In a gentle current of air, the position of liquid surface was measured with the travelling microscope. After 80 minutes, the level had fallen by 0.148 centimeter. Calculate the diffusivity of acetone in air. Are you clear now? Yes. So this problem, what are the types of this problem? So in the case of non-availability of diffusivity value can be determined in the laboratory while simple experiment. Liquid is taken in a small dia test tube, is allowed to diffuse to the atmosphere by holding it inside the temperature bar. I remind you, so these problem in the topic of diffusivity measurement or experimental determination of diffusivity. You refer my previous lectures, diffusivity measurement or experimental determination of diffusivity. Suppose if you don't have the diffusivity value, how to calculate the diffusivity? By experiment only. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here we will take the acetone and air. So what are the data are given? So data vapor pressure of acetone at 18.8 degrees Celsius is equal to 170 mmHg. These are the data are given. Total pressure also given 765.5 mmHg. Molecular weight of acetone is given 58.1 kg per kg mole. Density of acetone 0.798 kg per centimeter cube. What is the given data? So given data, the glass tube of 1 mm bore is equal to 1 mm, but height is a Z1. Z1 is equal to top height 2.3 centimeter. What about the Z2 here? So after 80 minutes, the level had fallen by 0.148 centimeter. So Z1 to Z2. So Z1 is a 2.3, again fallen plus 0.148. That is a Z2 value. So what about the capital R? Capital R in terms of centimeter cube, 82.06 atmosphere centimeter cube divided by kilomole Kelvin. What about the temperature? Temperature is given 18.8 degree Celsius. That is equal to 291.8 Kelvin. Are you clear now? Yes. So PT is a total pressure 765.5 mmHg. So this is converted into atmosphere. 1 atm is equal to 760 mmHg. From that 76.5 mmHg is equal to 1.0072 atmosphere. Use this conversion. The convert from mmHg to atmosphere. Similarly, PA1 value. PA1 is given. Is right? That is the vapor pressure value. So here 170 mmHg. So converting into atmosphere. From the conversion, 1 atm is equal to 760 mmHg. 0.2236 atmosphere. Are you clear now? Yes. So second thing, any other vapor pressure values are given? No. So the vapor pressure they are not given. Only one values are given. You take PA1 values are. So at 18.8 degrees Celsius, 170 mmHg. So PA2s are not given. Simply we will take that is a 0. Why? Because another height as the datum level or reference level, you take simply 0. Are you clear now? Okay. Then DAB. DAB only we want to calculate. Diffusivity of acetone in air. Density of acetone is given 0.798 kg per centimeter cube. Molecular weight of acetone 58.1 kg per kg mole or kilomole. Are you clear now? Yes. So we know that. So this problem from diffusivity measurement or experimental determination of diffusivity. So here this experiment, so based upon the diffusivity in solid. Are you clear or not? Okay. So in this case we will take DAB is equal to PBM RT rho L into Z2 minus Z2 squared minus Z1 squared divided by 2 PT into PA1 bar minus PA2 bar ML into theta. So here PBM value PB2 bar minus PB1 bar divided by ln of PB2 bar divided by PB1 bar. So in this case we have PA1 bar PT value PA2 bar. So similarly with the help of the Dalton's law we want to calculate PB1 bar. So PB1 bar is equal to PT minus PA1 bar. So substitute the value, find out PB1 bar. Similarly PB2 bar PT minus PA2 bar, two values are known, find out the PB2 bar. So use this expression logarithmic mean pressure PBM is equal to PB2 bar minus PB1 bar divided by ln of PB2 bar divided by PB1 bar. So the find out the PBM value. So finally we have the diffusivity expression. PBM values are known, calculated value, R is given, T is given, rho L is given. Is it correct? Then Z2 square minus Z1 square. So these two values are already have. Is right? So then this is the these values are given. Is it correct? Z2 square minus Z1 square whole divided by 2 into. So here 2 into PT values are given. Then PA1 bar minus PA2 bar is given. ML, that is a molecular weight. Molecular weight is given. Is it correct? Theta is a time value. Time value also given. It is converted into second. Are you clear or not? Okay. So why? Because we want diffusivity in terms of second. So here I think 4800 seconds is right. So from this find out the DAB value 0.095 centimeter square per second. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. Come to the next problem. Seventh problem. Cylindrical tank of 4 meter diameter was filled with acetone. Okay. To a depth of 2.3 centimeter from the top of storage tank and is exposed to ambient temperature of 18.8 degrees Celsius in a gentle current of air. Calculate the falling level of acetone after 1 hour. Calculate the loss in rupees if acetone worth is rupees 2 per liter. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. So this problem based on diffusion in solid. How will you identify? So this problem is based upon diffusion in solid. So here that material is a cylindrical tank. So that's why we will consider this is the based on the diffusion in solid. Are you clear or not? Okay. So tank 4 meter diameter, depth of 2.3 centimeter from the top of storage. So then temperature is given 18.8 degrees Celsius. But we want to calculate the two value. First one is a fall in level. The Z. What is the Z? The top is a 2.3 centimeter. The how much centimeter fall in level of acetone after 1 hour. Are you clear? Clear now? Second question. Loss in rupees. Calculate the loss in rupees if acetone worth is rupees 2 per liter. So per liter rupees 2 mean how much amount loss in rupees. Are you clear or not? Okay. Data are given. Vapor pressure at 18.8 degrees Celsius of acetone 170 mmHg. Total pressure 765.5 mmHg. Density of acetone 0.79 kg per centimeter cube. Diffusivity of acetone in air at 18.8 degrees Celsius 0.09 centimeter square per second. Molecular weight is given 58.1 kg per mole. Are you clear or not? Okay. So R values, this is a given data. R value in terms of centimeter cube, atmosphere centimeter cube per mole Kelvin 82.06. Temperature 18.8 degrees Celsius. That is converting into Kelvin 291.8 Kelvin. We know that conversion 760 mmHg is equal to 1 atmosphere. PT is given, PA1 is given. Why PA2 we will take 0, datum level or reference level, no pressure, we will consider there is a 0. Are you clear or not? So DAB is given value, so there is a 0.09 centimeter square per second. PT and PA1 convert from mmHg to atmosphere with the help of 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 mmHg. So 765.5 mmHg is equal to how much atmosphere? So 170 mmHg is equal to how much atmosphere? Are you clear or not? Okay. So based upon this conversion only, we will convert from one system of unit to another system of unit. Density is given 0.79 kg per centimeter cube. Are you clear? Yes. So here DAB is equal to PBM RT rho L into Z2 square minus Z1 square 2 PT into PA1 bar minus PA2 bar ml into theta. Similarly, PBM is known, PB2 bar minus PB1 bar divided by ln of PB2 bar divided by PB1 bar. So with the help of the Dalton's law, PB1 bar is equal to PT minus PA1 bar. So we know the two value, total pressure and partial pressure value PA1 bar. So in this case we will consider the vapor pressure. Is it correct? Yes. So for acetone, so PB1 bar is equal to 0.7836 atmosphere. PB2 bar similarly PT minus PA2 bar. So easily find out PB2 bar with the help of PT and PA2 bar. So PBM PB2 bar minus PB1 bar divided by ln of PB2 bar divided by PB1 bar. Are you clear or not? Okay. So find out the PBM. So diffusivity expression is there. So from this expression all values are known value. Only one value, that is a Z2. This is only we want to calculate how much distance fall in level of acetone after 1 hour. Are you clear or not? Okay. So in this case we want to calculate the Z2 value. Z2 is nothing but 2.406 centimeter. How much distance are falling? Z1 is known, is right. That is 2.3 something, is right, 2.3 centimeter. Z2 is 2.406. So difference between these two 0.106 centimeter. So this much level, this much centimeter level of acetone fall after 1 hour. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is the first part. Second part, volume of cylinder is equal to, we know, is right, volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. Diameter is given. There is a diameter converted into centimeter. So here 400 centimeter. This radius value, that is a 200 centimeter. So here h values are, height is known, that is how much is fallen, 0.106 centimeter. So the volume of the cylinder pi r square h, find out the volume value. This is very very important. We want to calculate loss rupees. So as per our problem, to 2 liter is right. So 2 liter, 2 rupees, 2 rupees per liter. So 1 liter rupees 2 is right, loss. Mean 13,320.35 centimeter cube. This is centimeter cube converted into meter cube. Are you clear on? Sorry, liter. Okay. So how much liter here? So this is one, as per the problem, 1 liter loss rupees 2. Are you clear or not? Okay. So 1 liter mean that is 1000 centimeter cube, loss is rupees 2. As per our problem, 13,320.35 centimeter cube, loss is how much rupees? So 13,320.35 into 2 divided by 1000. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is very important here. We want to calculate the loss rupees. So from the given problem, for our problem, 1 liter loss is rupees 2. So liter is converted into centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So as per our problem, 1 liter loss is rupees 2. 1 liter means 1000 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube loss is rupees 2. As per our problem, 13,320.35 centimeter cube loss is how much rupees? So into 2 divided by 1000. So nearly 26 rupees loss. Go to the next problem. Hydrogen gas at 2 standard atmosphere 25 degrees Celsius flow through a pipe made on vulcanized neoprene rubber with inner and outer diameter is 25 mm and 50 mm respectively. The solubility of hydrogen is 0.053 centimeter cube STP by centimeter cube atmosphere, and diffusivity of hydrogen through the rubber to be 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 centimeter square per second. So question, loss of hydrogen by diffusion per meter of the pipe length. So this is our problem. What are the given data? So inner diameter is given, d1 is equal to 25 mm, convert into meter. So the radius diameter divided by 2. Outer diameter 50 mm, this is converted into meter, the R2 d2 by 2. Diffusivity of hydrogen is given 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 centimeter square per second. So pressure is a 2 standard atmosphere, there is 2 atmosphere. Temperature is given 298 Kelvin. So one more additional data is given, solubility. Solubility of the hydrogen centimeter cube STP, that is standard temperature pressure, divided by centimeter cube atmosphere. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is different, this is different. The centimeter cube STP means there is standard temperature pressure. Centimeter cube atmosphere, this is a solubility of hydrogen. We know that diffusion rate. So from the diffusion in solid, so we know the expression diffusion rate. You refer my previous lecture. So WA is equal to dA into CA1 minus CA2 S average by Z. So from this problem, 1 meter length is right. S average is the area. Here cylindrical tank. So from the final expression, 2 pi L into R2 minus R1 divided by ln of R2 by R1. This is the S average formula for cylindrical tank. So in this case, we have length value R1 and R2 value. Substitute the value, find out the answer, S average. So this is the area value. Then Z is equal to what is that? So for plate or flat plate, we will take Z. For a cylinder or radius, cylinder and sphere, we will take the radius value. So Z is nothing but R2 minus R1. So here R2 is known, R1 is known, Z values are R2 minus R1. So here Z is equal to 0.0125 meter. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. Solubility at standard 2 atmospheric pressure. In this condition, how much? This is 0.053 into 2 meter cube per meter cube atmosphere. So centimeter cube by centimeter cube or meter cube per meter cube atmosphere. So here 2 standard atmospheric pressure, solubility is equal to 0.106. So one standard mean 0.053 meter cube per meter cube atmosphere or centimeter cube per centimeter cube atmosphere. But is 2 mean multiply with 2, 0.106. So we know that kilomole or molar volume, 1 kilomole is equal to 22.414 meter cube. So this is the our normal value, is right. Normal temperature and pressure, volume is a molar volume. Molar volume is nothing but 22.414 meter cube per kilomole. So what is the meaning? 1 kilomole contain 22.414 meter cube. So this is our standard value also. Standard temperature and pressure also, we will take the volume, molar volume 22.414 meter cube per kilomole. This is the standard value. So STP condition or NTP condition also, molar volume is the same. Temperature only different. Is it correct? Temperature and pressure only different, but volume is the same, 22.414 meter cube per kilomole. So what is the meaning? 1 kilomole contain 22.414 meter cube. As per our problem, so 0.106 meter cube contain. So the how much kilomole? So 22.414 meter cube contain 1 kilomole mean 0.106 meter cube mean into 1 divided by 22.414, that is 4.73 into 10 to the minus 3 kilomole. So here this is the kilomole per meter cube, is it correct? This is a concentration, the Ca1 at the inner surface of the pipe. So this is 4.73 into 10 to the minus 3 kilomole per meter cube. Outer surface there is no concentration, Ca2 is equal to 0. We have the expression, Wa expression, substitute all the values. So here find out Wa, that is a diffusion rate, 7.715 into 10 to the minus 2 kilomole per second. So but we want in terms of gram per hour. So what do you do here? The kilomole converting into kg, then converting into gram. So we know the formula, the what is relationship between number of moles and weight. Number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. You know the number of moles. You want weight value. The multiply with the molecular weight. So the molecular weight of which component? Hydrogen. So rate of diffusion is equal to 7.715 into 10 to the minus 2 into molecular weight of the hydrogen 2. Kilomole is converted into kg per second. Are you clear now? So the second is converted into hour, gram, kg is converted into gram. So kg converted into gram in multiply with 1000. So divided second. So once 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 hour. So this is divide values, right? Go to numerator side, multiply with 3600. Are you clear or not? Okay. So we got the value Wa is equal to 5.55 into 10 to the minus 5 gram per hour. So this is the rate of loss of hydrogen, 5.55 10 to the minus 5 gram per hour. Okay. Thank you for your attention.